Chapter 7, Thinking Stepwise with Kidlo. Objectives. After completion of this lesson, students will be able to identify sequence of steps related to the task, apply thinking to make choices, follow stepwise instructions to complete the task, use Kidlo to develop logical thinking. Dear children, in our daily life, we do many tasks such as getting ready for school, packing our school bag, opening the chocolate packet, and eating the chocolate, etc. To do any task, we need to know the steps to do it. Our parents, our teachers, everyone do their tasks daily through a set of steps. In the school, if you see, there is everything in the form of steps. As you grow up, you need to learn how certain steps need to be followed to complete our tasks. This is why we must learn how to think in terms of steps. When you grow up, you will learn how to tell the steps to a computer to finish a task. Telling a computer to do a task is called coding. The first lesson you need to learn is how to think in terms of steps to finish a task. So, let us begin. Here is our friend RoboPal. He is a robot. Without his battery, he cannot stay alive. Can you help him get to his battery? Remember, he must not move on the squares in diagonal direction. He moves one square ahead at a time. He can turn left and right. Let us help him reach to his battery. Watch out how RoboPal moves and turns on the squares. Can you write down? 1. How many instructions are given to RoboPal? Dash instructions. 2. How many times RoboPal had to turn left and right? Dash turns. 3. How many moves RoboPal made? Dash steps. 4. How many squares RoboPal used to reach the battery? Dash squares. Well, that was easy and fun. Let us add more fun to this. Can you help RoboPal reach to the battery by avoiding the dark squares? This was really exciting. Let us add more excitement to this. Now, see carefully. There are two paths for RoboPal to reach to the battery. Which path should RoboPal take? Why? Discuss with your teacher. It was great that you helped your friend RoboPal every time. But how did you do it? Yes, stepwise thinking. Now we agree that stepwise thinking helps us complete every task we do. What did you learn? To do a task, 1. Decide all the steps first. 2. Decide the order of all the steps. 3. Take one step at a time. Now, let us move to the computer lab and practice stepwise thinking with an exciting program, Kidlo Coding Games. With your teacher's help, open Kidlo Coding Games in your computer. Start button. Kidlo Coding Games for Kids free. Kidlo will open up like this. Giving instructions. The first screen will look like this. Click button near Coding Basics. We are going to lay down a road. Did you see the buttons with a number on them? Each button will take you to a level. As you complete the task, the next level will unlock. Click on button 1 to start. This will take you to level 1. Use mouse and drag-drop the pieces of road on the tiles with question mark as shown here. You will lay down the road and the firefighter will reach the fire to put it off. See how you did this simple task? Similarly, try out level 2. Longer road to make, but easy. Complete level 3 in the same way and move on to level 4. Complete level 5 and move on to level 6. Now you understand how we take steps one by one and complete tasks. You have done very well. Let us try out some more adventure in Kidlo.